My name is Emma. I lead the customer experience team. My team is pretty large and it's also all around the world. We have some people in San Francisco, some people in Dublin. Soon we'll have Japan, so it's growing super quickly and it's pretty amazing. My team is on the front line for all the customer inquiries, questions, issues that arise. We all care deeply about the customer and what they have to say, and that really unites us. To really understand what they want to build and how they want to use it, going into the why. Why do you want to use it this way? Why would you like to see that view? Why would you like to have that special feature? So I can go and make a case for it. You have the successful product with so many fans behind it, and then you have a team that deeply cares about humans, that deeply cares about their employees, and that really want to make the world a better place. It sounds corny, but it really is true. I'm very big on making jokes that no one likes, so we make sure that we have a safe space to communicate and learn. We have a team of passionate, collaborative, driven people that love working together. That really makes a difference at the end of the day.